Now the great thing with this system is, although it doesn't have sat nav, if you've got a phone and a connection cable, if we just plug that in there, you see, plug it into the USB. Oop. There you go, and it should come up. Ask me for CarPlay. It's telling me, look at that. I mean, how good is that? It's low on fuel. It's suggesting to navigate me to low fuel, fine fuel station. So that's Sainsbury's, BP and Esso. But anyway, so this system, navigate to Grosvenor Garage.
Getting directions to Grosvenor Garage.
There you go, Grosvenor Garage. Click
Start
go.
route to Grosvenor Garage. Use the left lane to take exit 31 onto A59 towards Preston Central.
So there you go, that's a lot better. It's a lot better than having a system that goes out of date in a couple of years, or you have to buy a new SD card every year, which is £100 about,
Take the exit
and download it.